you guys, I'm super excited. We're about to go to the 2022 NFL Draft. We're going to the Chargers Stadium, Sofi Stadium in Los Angeles. I'm just doing a quick outfit of the day. I got my Chargers shirt, some chucks, and black pants. Here's Nevaeh. I wanted to keep the color scheme. Blue shirt, also black pants, and her black shoes. And then Isaiah, let me see, with his Chargers. What's this? Jersey. And also black pants, and then he has his red Nikes on. Oh, let me see your shirt, Pop. Whoa, yeah, number 10. I got my Chargers shirt, number 10. And then let's see my babe.
What's up, yo?
Look at my babe's outfit.
I'm here for Draft Fest. Go Chargers! Got the Herbert jersey.
You see the shoes? Got the Nikes. Matching with Isaiah with the Nikes.
So we're about to hit the Draft Fest at SoFi Stadium. Starts at 3 o'clock, guys. We have live performances from Justin Herbert, Derwin James, Keenan Allen, Joey Bosa.
You said live performances. They're not doing live performances. They're doing Q&A.
They're doing Q&As. That's the live.
Is it live performances
by the Snoop Doggy Dog? All right, guys. So it's Draft Fest. We at SoFi Stadium. After this, we're probably gonna go to the Art House and watch the Dallas Mavericks win. Let's go, Mavs! Let's go,
you said Chargers. What about you, Nevaeh? Okay, let's go Chargers. You guys are here. We just parked. Say hi, you guys.
What's up,
We're trying to get Isaiah in it. Say hi, Nevaeh. Here we go. We're about to walk to it right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Olippa. Oh my gosh, here you go. So many Chargers on this way. Let's go. Here we go. Look at. Look at you guys. So cool. Oh look, babe, you want to do this? Look at this. It's so cool. Nice.
And this person that we bring to the stage, he stands alone as an icon as well. I am talking about somebody like you, but you are not talking about me. The Godfather, ladies and gentlemen, bring it up, Snoop Dogg! Yes, sir.
I can't see down here.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double J. You know I'm out with the deep. Put your hands way up in the air. Put your hands way up in the air. Shake it. Shake it. Turn the shit up. Back up.
Look at this, you guys. It says Sofi Stadium, and we're walking here. Oh, there's water. Look at the water, you guys. Oh, this is so nice. This is so freaking nice. You want to get close and just look? It's all the water right here, you guys. This is so. Watch it, Neve. Don't get too close. Look at here. Look at here. Guys, look at the waterfall. This is so cool. It has like falls and stairs. And all the birds are here. It's so cool to meet this. Bye, stadium. Do you guys have fun?
Yeah, we have fun.
You have fun, Papa? Yeah, football game. We have music, and now we're headed home. Let me just say, Esther Anaya was like bomb. Like, she was really good. You guys know us. If you've been a subscriber of my channel for a long time, you guys know we're ravers. We love EDM like a lot. And the fact that she did a whole EDM set, I wish we would have saw the whole thing, but we got here at like 3. What time was it when we got inside and got to our seats? I think it was like 3:20 by the time we actually sat down and everything, and she got on at 3. So we missed like a little bit of her set, but once we got down to our seats, it was good. And our seats were really good. It's like the first row from where the field is, huh? Like the first row. Like, it was really good seats. I wanted to get like right in front of the stage, but of course the people came super early to get the best seats. But we got there pretty good time though. It was fun. We took some pictures. It was a lot of fun. What were your thoughts, babe? The OG
awesome.
Chargers
It
fan.
was awesome.
He finally has a home Chargers team in LA. He's from LA, and now he has a stadium. His team is here, and the stadium is
Chargers,
here.
go!
It was awesome.
Snoop Doggy Dogg,
Snoop Dogg
baby,
did good, but I'm low-key kind of disappointed because I feel like Esther played longer than Snoop, and they were advertising Snoop so hard, and he played for like, what, 30 minutes?
Well, yeah, but they're gonna, you know.
And then she played for like an hour. She got on at 3 and got off after 4, and he's like
for a full set.
I don't know, but anyways, it was a good show though.
It was awesome.
I liked the free parking, free tickets. Like, you can't beat that. So I'm so happy we came. The kids had fun. Isaiah didn't even want to leave. He kept saying football game. He wanted to go back, but we might go back. We'll see.
We will go back when my Chargers play her Chiefs. We're gonna whip that ass.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for that game. Like, I'm gonna scream. Okay, but we'll see how it goes. Bye. On our way home. Thanks. Still fight for the hospitality. Free parking.